Okay folks, here we are with the S40 telescoping man lift, and I have a problem with the basket tilt. That basket there that the man lift will lift you 40 feet in the air, and when it does that you want it to be level. Well, the apparatus that levels it, the hydraulics, is not working correctly. It works in one direction and not the other. We want to find a service manual for our Genie. So we're going to go here to Google. We're going to paste this in here, the Genie S40 wire diagram. This is my machine. Okay, we're going to go down here. This is one you don't have to pay for. Okay, let's see. You have to read these or you'll end up paying for one like I did. Okay, genielift.com. Okay, this is the one we want. Okay, the wiring diagram, if this is the right one, it's on 133. Put it in there. There it is. Okay, and there's another one. There'll be several. Okay, there's 132. Okay, there's your diagrams, and you can print those out. And if you've got the Adobe Reader, you can resize this, and which I did. I printed on 6 sheets of paper, so it made it real super large, you know, like 3 feet by 2.5 feet, I think. But and you can find that. Go to Adobe Acrobat, and matter of fact, maybe I'll include that in this. /reader. /. Alright, let's see how this does. Reader right there. Here's service manual. And let's see, there's 2 or 3. This is the operator's manual. The parts and service manual. Okay, there's your manual that you can download from Genie. And the range is serial number. Actually, this is or maybe you don't even have a Genie. Maybe it's something different. But whoever makes it, go there. You probably can get the manual for nothing. The first manual that I got from I bought it from just a website that had manuals. And I didn't know Genie had a free one. So I ended up paying, I think, $17 or $15, something like that, for a manual that I could have gotten for nothing. So I'm just going to share that with you so that you don't fall into the same pitfall that I did. Okay, that's it for manuals, and Now you can get down to brass tacks and fix.
Okay, YouTubers, here we are with the Genie S40, and I've had some problems with it and been diagnosing the issue, and found that the slave cylinder that controls the basket or the man cage or whatever you want to call it, it would only tilt down, it would not tilt back. And it had some issues where I would come out in the morning after using it the day before, and I would come out the next morning and the basket would be tilted down and it wasn't holding. So I went through Genie's troubleshooting guide, and it kind of indicated that it could be the directional valve. So I tried to manipulate the directional valve to test it, and it was so rusty, and I could not get it apart. And anyway, it was a negative test, so I bought a new one, put that on, but it really did not solve the problem. So on we went. I actually changed check valve, and that didn't solve the problem. So further down the line, it said that it could be this cylinder. There wasn't anything definitive, you know, other than it could be. So anyway, I did remove the cylinder, which is way down here, and it sticks up. This bag is actually covering the pin that holds the end of the piston. So you know, I don't want to get it rusty or anything. So anyway, I'm at that point, and I've taken the cylinder apart, and I will show you what I found. Okay, here we are. This is the cylinder, and I removed this from the cylinder, and if I can get this around here, you can probably see this, but the red one is all chewed up also, right here. So there's our problem.